Have you ever stopped to wonder how much energy we consume each day and where it all comes from? It's a question that's more relevant now than ever before. You see, the world's energy consumption is increasing at an alarming rate, and with it, our dependence on non-renewable sources like fossil fuels. These energy sources, while they've powered our progress, are not without their drawbacks. They've left a considerable environmental footprint, contributing to air pollution and climate change. The burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that traps heat in our atmosphere, leading to global warming. But here's the conundrum. We need energy to power our lives, our economies. It's the lifeblood of modern civilization, yet the very sources we rely on are putting our planet at risk. This necessitates a shift towards renewable energy, a cleaner, more sustainable way to power our world. But what if there was a vast, untapped energy source that could provide us with the power we need without harming our planet? Enter solar energy, an abundant, clean, and renewable source of power that's been under our noses, or rather, over our heads for billions of years. So, what exactly is this sunlit gift? Picture the sun as a colossal powerhouse, ceaselessly radiating energy across the cosmos. Solar energy is simply a fraction of this energy that reaches our planet. It's like an endless stream of tiny packets of light called photons, journeying over 93 million miles to reach us. Now let's talk about how we tap into this energy. This is where solar panels come into play. Imagine solar panels as a team of diligent workers tirelessly capturing these photons. Within these panels are countless solar cells made from a material called silicon. As the photons strike these solar cells, they knock loose some electrons. These free electrons are then harnessed to create an electrical current. Voila, we've just converted sunlight into electricity. But why go through all this trouble? Why not stick to conventional sources of energy? Well, the answer lies in the unique advantages that solar energy brings to the table. Firstly, solar energy is renewable. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and rapidly depleting, the sun isn't going anywhere anytime soon. It's a source of energy that we can rely on for at least another 5 billion years. Secondly, solar energy is abundant. In fact, the amount of solar energy that reaches the Earth every hour is more than enough to power the entire world for a year. Lastly, solar energy is kind to Mother Earth. It doesn't produce harmful emissions or contribute to climate change. It's a clean, green power source that can help us reduce our carbon footprint and pave the way towards a sustainable future. So, solar energy seems like the perfect solution, doesn't it? But as with all good things, it does come with its fair share of challenges. Despite its immense potential, solar energy is not without its hurdles. Let's delve into some of the key challenges faced by the solar power sector and explore how we're overcoming these obstacles to tap into this boundless source of energy. One of the primary challenges in harnessing solar power is the high initial cost of solar panels and installation. This can be a significant deterrent for many, especially in regions where the average income is on the lower side. But don't let this deter you. Advancements in technology are paving the way for more affordable solar solutions. In fact, solar panel costs have dropped by a whopping 80% over the last decade. And with increased government incentives and financing options, the cost barrier is slowly but surely being dismantled. Next, we come to the issue of dependence on weather. Solar power, by its very nature, is reliant on sunlight, which can be inconsistent due to weather conditions and seasonal changes. This can lead to fluctuations in power generation. But here's the good news. Energy storage technology is making leaps and bounds. The development of high-capacity batteries and efficient energy storage systems are mitigating this problem, ensuring a steady supply of power even during periods of low sunlight. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room: space requirements. Solar panels require a large area for installation, which can be a challenge in densely populated regions. But ingenious solutions are being found. From solar parks in remote areas to rooftop solar systems in cities, we are finding ways to utilize space effectively. Innovation is key in this journey. Solar paint, solar windows, floating solar farms on bodies of water. These aren't just concepts anymore. They're real, tangible advancements that are making solar energy more accessible, efficient, and viable. The sun has been our constant companion for eons, and it's high time we harness its power to secure our energy future. So let's embrace these challenges as opportunities to innovate, improve, and make the most of this incredible resource. After all, the sun isn't going anywhere anytime soon. Before we part ways, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the urgent need for renewable energy and the role solar energy plays in meeting this demand. We've explored its production, benefits, and why it's outshining other energy sectors. We also touched on the hurdles it faces, particularly in India, and potential solutions to these challenges. The future of energy is bright, and it's all thanks to the power of the sun. So the next time you feel the sun's rays on your skin, remember, that's energy, pure and simple.